Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of August, 2023. Man, let's talk about Ethereum today because this article right here, you guys can see it from Cointelegraph, produced on August 17th. This is what Charles Hoskinson is saying about Ethereum. He's saying that Ethereum is a dumpster fire. Now, when you look at the price for Ethereum, I mean, let's keep it real. It does look like it's on fire, though. I mean, I did this price prediction in Ethereum going all the way back here to June the 25th, 2023, right? And we did have opportunity to see the market profit in our price prediction. But now, look what happened on this particular day. The market in Ethereum fell drastically 7% on August the 17th, 2023. Is that a coincidence? That's when this article came out as well. So they're trying to state, well, Charles, the founder of Cardano, is stating that Ethereum is a dumpster fire in response to a fan commentary doubting the blockchain's roadmap and criticizing its supposed similarity to Ethereum. This is how he responded to that question or that comment. It's getting delusion town now, and we are living rent-free in the maxis' minds. I pity them. Addressing the Ethereum comparison, the founder said, talking about Charles, and I quote, "Ethereum is a dumpster fire of a consensus layer, has a terrible programming model that they can't change, and are getting eaten alive by their own layer 2 ecosystem." Wow. Talking about hate. Talking about throwing trash on a brand. Charles, who once was involved in Ethereum, obviously has some angst against this community. Now, I'm not worried about that. Okay, they can have their squabble, they bickering, however they want to. But for me, we focus on the charts, we focus on price, we focus on where price is trying to go. Now, from what he stated, it does look like Ethereum is having issues off of the price chart as well. The market in Ethereum, which we predicted, was trying to go higher, right? And I'm zooming out the price chart. I want you all to understand that once market breaks dynamics, you need to take note of it. You guys can see that this trend in Ethereum has been in place since the ending of 2022 December. The market in Ethereum was trending. It was bullish. The market was going higher, right? And we created that trend line, but then the market fell through it. We pay attention to the chart, nothing else. So considering that price is no longer holding the trend, we should not be bullish into the market in Ethereum, period. This is how you trade. This is how you invest without the emotion. We rely on the price chart to give us the information. And currently the chart is telling us you should not be bullish in Ethereum right now. So this price prediction, which we've created, okay, we've had multiple updates throughout this whole price prediction, but it started back here in June, okay, June the 25th, 2023. I did an update in Ethereum on August the 9th, and this is where the price was in Ethereum at that time. And as you can see, I didn't change my price prediction. I was still looking for the market in Ethereum to go higher. And even after that video, what happened to the price? So we got some things to talk about. Yeah, this market is not bullish in Ethereum, period. So on this price prediction today, I'm going to look for the market to continue to go down. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's go ahead and transpose these lines, because for one, it would have been a great outlook if the market in Ethereum traded within these lines, and it did not even do that neither. So the only option that we have on the table is for a continuation to move to the downside. So let's cut this out the way. Let's get rid of this line, and we're going to use the current trend into the market in Ethereum. Okay, and this is what the price currently looks like in Ethereum. Now, am I looking for a price to go down to $1,000? No. Like, there's a lot of people within this range right here that would come in and purchase Ethereum at these lower levels. So it would take a lot for the market in Ethereum to go all the way back down to $1,000. Like, something massive will have to occur in the world, in the economy, in the cryptocurrency space in order for that to really happen. Okay, so let's get Ethereum real quick on a weekly chart. And you guys can see that even right now on this weekly price bar, people felt that as price went down to $1,500 that it was attractive, it was on discount, and people came in and bought the market. You guys can see that we're currently up here mid bar in Ethereum on the weekly chart. So that's not bad. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay, you guys can see here, on 2 weeks, we're getting probable precursors of strength listed on these time frames here, just on the 3 weeks as well. So this market is not drastically bearish. Okay, let me get that out there. Let you all not worry that the market in Ethereum is that bearish, because it's not. There's definitely market participants coming into Ethereum and purchasing this market on the low right there around $1,517. So it's not that bad. All right. Now take a look at this. This is Ethereum on the 330-minute chart, and I want you all to understand that where is the market at? There has been no trading, no volume. Look down here at the bottom. We're not even seeing volume come through into the market in Ethereum ever since we saw this market completely crash. Where's the market? Where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? No one is participating into the market in Ethereum right now. Makes you wonder, what's the cause? Here it is on the 90-minute chart. Okay. Now, even here on the 90-minute chart, I don't see a massive emphasis of buying on the chart. I definitely see selling. Okay. These 90-minute bars right here definitely represent selling. My eyes is really fixed on that 90-minute bar, and then on this one. Okay, so the buyers still have a job ahead of them to make sure that they're able to come in and buy up whoever's trying to sell their Ethereum into the market. So I don't think we're out the woods yet into the market for Ethereum to continue to go lower outside of these two 1 hour price bar. This is a massive key area that the buyers will have to hold in Ethereum as the market continues to get inundated with selling. I like this 1 hour price bar as well in Ethereum. After we saw this massive move to the downside on the 1 hour chart, market went up, but we're still seeing that there are sellers in the market. Okay, so I don't think we're done with Ethereum trending to the downside. We're going to take a break because it was a drastic move on this 2-day price bar, 8% move in 2 days. Yeah, of course people will try to come in and support the market, but generally seeing that price did not hold that trend line in the beginning of the video, seeing how Ethereum is not traded within that trading channel in the beginning of the video, seeing how wide these spread bars are on the daily, on the 2-day, kind of tells us that this may not be the end. Now, we may initially see the market go higher. I wouldn't be surprised to see that, because once you get a shakeout, something so drastic, so swift, so fast, the market usually tries to come in and recover some of that area. So let's say that we do suppose Ethereum is going to go higher, right? This area right here will be seen as resistance though. Okay. So yeah, don't be surprised to see the market in Ethereum go higher towards $1,700–1,800. But generally, the trend is broken. That trend line, that massive bullish trend that we started for the whole of 2023 so far, that's broken. So let's not be misled. All right. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play a little bit of weakness into the market in Ethereum. I'm not going to be massively bearish like I told you, but I am going to look for price in Ethereum to dip, to go a little bit lower, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So that first target I do like right here, the lows of these daily price bars. That would be my first target. Okay. And that will give us what? 2.47% move to the downside there. And then the second target in Ethereum would be back down here to where the lows were. Here. And that is 10% move to the downside again. Like we've already did it on the 17th, so 3 days ago, we've already came that low. I don't think that the market is complete with going down, albeit I wouldn't be surprised to see the market initially try to go higher over the next couple of days. Okay. So now it's going to be real important. I want you all to really see on the 2-weekly chart and on the 3-weekly chart that these are probable precursors of strength, simply meaning that in the next 2 weeks, the next 3 weeks, the price bar that's going to form has to close higher than these current ones. Okay, in order for us to really get the confirmation that buyers are here. Okay, so we got to give the market that much time to play that out. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all this trend line right here. because this could be the ultimate place that Ethereum is going to try to come and hit as we trade over the next couple of months. Okay, so let me go ahead and put that there. And this is the range of what we're looking forward to into the market in Ethereum. And let me put this all on the daily chart so we can keep our eyes focused on that time frame. And that's it. I am finished. I want you all to go ahead and give me an update as to what are your targets now in Ethereum. Let me know. And while you're at it, if you guys appreciate the videos and the content that I do produce, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And not only that, like the video and share the video, share the content, because this is something that everyone has access to and that everyone can do without anyone else's assistance. I just want you all to come and see this video so that you can learn from my content. All right, that is it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.